Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeff the Specialist here, and today we're diving deep into a topic that I'm super passionate about: passive income. Did you know that there are ways to make money while you sleep? Literally, while you're catching those Z's, money can be flowing into your bank account. That's the power of passive income. It's all about generating income without actively trading your time for money. This is crucial for financial stability because it provides you with multiple income streams, reducing your reliance on a single source of income like a 9-to-5 job. Let's kick things off with dividend stocks. Now you might be thinking, stocks? Isn't that risky? Well, hold on. Dividend stocks are a different breed. These are companies that are well established and profitable, and they share a portion of those profits with their shareholders in the form of dividends. It's like getting paid just for owning a piece of the company. Think of it this way. You buy shares of a company like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, companies that have been around for decades and have a track record of paying dividends consistently. You literally own a tiny piece of these giant corporations. As they make money, they share a portion of it with you, usually every quarter. It's like clockwork. The beauty of dividend stocks is that it requires minimal effort on your part. You do your research, pick solid companies with a history of dividend payments, and then you essentially sit back and let your money work for you. Of course, you still got to keep an eye on your investments, but it's not like you're actively trading stocks every single day. Now remember, no investment is completely risk-free, but dividend stocks are generally considered a more stable and reliable way to generate passive income compared to some other more volatile investments. It's all about long-term growth and steady income, and that's what makes dividend stocks so appealing for building wealth over time. Next up, let's talk about real estate, specifically rental properties. Now I know what you're thinking. Real estate? That's expensive. And yes, it can be a significant investment up front, but hear me out. Owning rental properties can be a fantastic way to generate passive income, and it comes with some unique advantages. First and foremost, you're building equity. As you pay down your mortgage, you're increasing your ownership stake in the property, and that equity can be tapped into later if needed. It's like a forced savings plan, and it's a tangible asset that you can see and touch, unlike some other investments. Second, rental income can provide you with a steady stream of cash flow. Every month, your tenants pay rent, and that money can cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses, ideally leaving you with some profit. It's like having a business that generates income month after month. Third, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time. While there are always market fluctuations, historically, real estate has proven to be a solid long-term investment. So not only are you generating rental income, but your property itself is likely increasing in value, potentially leading to a nice profit if you decide to sell down the road. Now, managing rental properties does come with its own set of responsibilities, but there are ways to simplify things. You can hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day tasks, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on other things. It's all about finding the right balance and making sure your investment is working hard for you. Let's dive into the digital world and talk about online courses. This is one of my favorite passive income streams because it allows you to leverage your skills, knowledge, and expertise to create a product that can generate income for years to come. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What are you really good at? It could be anything from photography to web development, graphic design, cooking, fitness, you name it. If you have valuable knowledge that others are willing to pay for, you can package it into an online course and sell it to a global audience. The beauty of online courses is that once you've created the content, it can be sold over and over again without you having to actively teach each student individually. It's like creating a product that sells itself while you sleep. You can set up an automated sales funnel, use email marketing to promote your course, and even leverage social media to reach a wider audience. Creating an online course does require some upfront work, but the potential rewards are huge. You're not limited by geography. You can reach students from all over the world, and you're building a valuable asset that can generate income for years to come. Plus, you're empowering others with your knowledge, and that's a pretty awesome feeling. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income by partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services. It's like being a brand ambassador, but instead of getting free stuff, you get paid commissions for every sale you generate. Here's how it works. You find a company that offers an affiliate program, sign up, and get a unique affiliate link. You then promote this link on your website, social media, or through other channels. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience. If you're passionate about fitness, for example, you could promote fitness equipment, supplements, or online workout programs. The more authentic you are, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. Affiliate marketing is a great way to diversify your income streams because it doesn't require you to create your own products or services. You're essentially leveraging the existing infrastructure of other businesses and getting paid for driving traffic to their websites. It's a win-win situation, and it can be a highly profitable passive income stream if done right. Finally, let's talk about automated dropshipping. This is a highly scalable passive income idea that can be largely automated, making it a dream come true for many aspiring entrepreneurs. In a nutshell, dropshipping involves selling products online without actually holding any inventory. You partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of the products. You simply create an online store, list the products, and process orders as they come in. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to deal with the hassle of inventory management, warehousing, or shipping logistics. It's all handled by your dropshipping partner, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. To automate your dropshipping store, you can use tools and software that handle tasks such as order fulfillment, customer service, and even marketing. This allows you to step back from the day-to-day operations and enjoy the benefits of a truly passive income stream. Of course, building a successful dropshipping business takes work, but with the right strategy and automation tools, it can become a highly profitable and scalable venture that generates income while you sleep. It's the ultimate passive income machine. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you build a more secure financial future. From dividend stocks to rental properties, online courses, affiliate marketing, and automated dropshipping, there are countless ways to generate income without actively trading your time for money. The key is to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By building multiple streams of passive income, you're creating a safety net that can protect you from financial shocks and provide you with greater peace of mind. If you're ready to start building your passive income empire, hit that subscribe button for more money-making tips and strategies. And be sure to share your thoughts on passive income in the comments below. Let's build a community of financially empowered individuals.